In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save chart templates on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Creator platform. Once you are inside the platform, open the chart that you want to save as a template. This should be the chart layout that you want to reuse later on other charts. Next, customize the chart exactly the way you want it. Add your preferred indicators, choose the chart type you use most often, and adjust the colors and any other settings that are important for your trading setup. The goal here is to prepare the chart so that everything looks and functions the way you want before saving it as a template. After you finish customizing the chart, move your cursor anywhere over the chart and right-click. This will open the context menu. In that menu, look for the template option. Place your cursor over template to open the next set of options. From there, click Save Template. A prompt will appear asking you to enter a name for your chart template. Type in a name that will help you recognize it later. It is a good idea to use a clear and simple name based on your strategy or chart style. Once you have entered the name, click Save. This will store the template in your platform so you can use it again whenever you need it. When you want to apply that saved template to another chart later, open the new chart first, then right-click anywhere on that chart to bring up the context menu again. Hover over Template, and this time, select your saved template from the list of available templates. As soon as you click the template name, the chart should update automatically. You should see your saved indicators, color settings, chart style, and any other customizations load onto the new chart. Take a moment to check that everything appears correctly. This will confirm that the template has been applied successfully. Saving chart templates can help you keep your trading setup consistent and can also save time when you are working with multiple charts. Once your template is saved, you can quickly apply the same layout without repeating the setup process each time. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.